Ever get a call back from someone asking why you called, even though you never touched your iPhone? If your iPhone is making random calls, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it. First, go to Settings, Face ID, and Passcode. Turn off voice dial and return missed calls. Second, go to Accessibility, Voice Control, turn it off. Third, disconnect your Bluetooth device. Fourth, go to Accessibility, Touch, Back Tap, check if you have set to dial. Fifth, go to Siri, turn off Allow Siri when locked. Sixth, sometimes random calls are related to emergency calls. You can decide whether to disable it. Seventh, go to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset all settings, enter your passcode to reset. Eighth, back to General, Software Update if available. Ninth, go to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, erase all data and content, make a backup in advance. The last method is to use a repair tool. Download MagFone iOS System Recovery on your computer. Launch the program after installation. Click iOS System Repair, Start. Choose Standard Repair to keep iPhone data. Click Download to download and verify the firmware package. After verifying, click Start Standard Repair to fix your iPhone making random call on its own.